Hi guys, welcome to my blog channel. Well guys, the thing is that today actually I was about to teach Akshat some conditional sentences, and I thought I must make a blog video related to this situational conditional sentence. But Akshat has been sulking since morning. He's very annoyed, he's not talking to me. I'm telling you what exactly happened. The thing is that he was playing with some black clay and he made the bedsheet dirty. So I asked him to say sorry, but he was not ready to say sorry, due to which I scolded him badly. And since then, he has been sulking, he has not been talking to me. So now I'm going to market to buy his favorite things. It could be anything, it could be his favorite pizza or burger or whatever he likes, or maybe some chocolates. So this is what I'm going to do. So after buying that, I'll go back home and it will be a kind of surprise for him. So let's see how he reacts. So see you after some time, guys. Thank you. So guys, I have come to the market and now I am going to see whether pizza is available or not. So here grilled, भैया पिज़्ज़ा होगा भैया? पिज़्ज़ा बन जाएगा? ठीक है, कॉर्न वाला होगा? ठीक है. कितने वाला है यार, बता दो. किधर है? मुझे तो पिज़्ज़ा दिख, हाँ मिल गया. Okay, so see guys, pizza is here and this is double cheese margherita pizza 80 and 130. I want corn one, so double cheese corn pizza 80 130. 130 वाला कर देना, कॉर्न वाला 130 वाला पैक करना भैया, ले जाना. ठीक है. So guys, I've got the pizza packed. Now I am going to take half this. मैं नाम भूल जाता हूँ इसका. Soya chap. Soya malai chap. Yeah, so I'm going to take only half soya malai chap right now. And do you remember this guy? This guy speaks in English. Fine, half कर दीजिए. Malai chap. हाँ, malai chap. So I'm going to take half soya malai chap, and then I'll go back to home, guys. So see, like I don't eat all the time such things. Everybody knows I am on diet, but today I had to come just because I wanted to give surprise to Akshat. And this is for Khushbu, not for me. She likes soya malai chap, so this is for her. I'm going to take. So this is all. So abhi, what is the price right now for half?
Half is 70 rupees.
70 rupees. Okay, and for full 120. Mostly I take full, but today I just want half only. Fine. Oh my God, he's so nice of you, so nice of you.
Thank you.
So he has given me 2 rumali roti. Fabulous. One day I'll come and I'll take your interview here. Okay? Okay? Thank you.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Bye. Take care. Fun guys. So I've got soya chap packed. Pizza is already packed. Now I'm heading towards my home, and I have to buy some chocolates for Akshat, and after that I'll reach my home. Fine guys, so stay connected. Thank you for your so much support. You always watch my vlog videos, so stay connected guys. Thank you. So Akshat is here. He still seems to be angry. Akshat, are you still annoyed? Okay, I'm sorry. And now see what I have brought for you. Okay, let me give you this surprise for you. Okay, so don't be angry. Whole day you were not talking to me. Just because I scolded you, that's why. Okay, I'm sorry. And your favorite. See, what is this? What is written? Are you happy? Okay, so now since you're happy, come this side. Come this side. Come sit here with me. Sit here with me. Come here. So now, friends. Oh God. So now he is happy, and I'm so sorry I scolded you so badly. Okay? If suppose you do any mistake, okay? And if I say that say sorry, then you should say sorry, okay? Don't miss. Okay?
Well, actually, there is an arm coming out of your chest.
Oh, really? Oh, it's mind blowing. Okay, wash your hands, okay? Wash your hands, then you can enjoy your pizza.
And if you want to notice, I can make a monster sound.
Monster sound, okay? Make. Oh, really? See your pizza, it might have fallen here and there. See, your pizza is right here. Can you see? Okay. Now go wash your hands then. So guys, now Akshat seems to be little happy. Whole day he was quite annoyed. So he will enjoy his pizza. So this is all about this video, guys. Since Akshat's mood is okay now, so maybe tomorrow I can make a video related to any situational English. I'll teach Akshat and I'll shoot that for you guys.
Subscribe and like this video. And if you don't like and subscribe and press the bell icon and comment anything, then I will hunt you down.
Okay, tell me one thing. Did you think that you would not talk to me whole day? Is it? Okay. Okay. Thank you guys. Bye. Take care.